Let us see the current affairs second quiz. Let us see the first question. The country which recently in January 2023 adopted the euro currency and became a part of Europe's border-free Schengen zone. We have options A. Toto, B. Algeria, C. Croatia, D. Mali. And the right option is C. Croatia. Croatia made two historic changes with New Year 2023. As European Union's youngest member, it joined both EU's border-free Schengen zone and Euro common currency. Schengen zone is a zone with 26 European countries abolished their internal borders for free and unrestricted movement of people, common judiciary, and common police cooperation. And one more point. Previously, Croatia currency is kuna, kuna, and if you convert into Indian rupees, it is 11.73. And as you know, euro to INR, this is transaction rate is 87 rupees 92 paise. Let us see the second question. Which Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, has recently in December 2022 partnered with DRDO to introduce DRDO Industry Academia, Ramanujan Center of Excellence, DIA-RCOE. We have options A. IIT Madras, B. IIT Delhi, C. IIT Hyderabad, D. IIT Bombay. And the right option is IIT Madras. This Center of Excellence is an interdisciplinary research group that brings in faculty and researchers from multiple departments to develop Atmanirbhar technologies for critical needs of the country. Especially, this will provide the first of its kind opportunity for startups and MSMEs to participate in this critical nation building activity. Let us see the third question. Zuari Bridge, the second largest cable stayed bridge in India, is located in Dash. We have options A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Punjab, C. Goa, D. Jammu and Kashmir. The right option is C. Goa. Zuari Bridge, it is an important link between North Goa and South Goa. It is built over the famous Zuari River. Very recently, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari inaugurated the first phase of this new bridge. So it is in news. In picture, you can see that bridge. Let us see the next question. Fourth one. Which Union Ministry launched the Prajjwala Challenge? We have options A. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, B. Ministry of Rural Development, C. Ministry of Home Affairs, D. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. The right option is Ministry of Rural Development. This challenge will provide a platform where ideas are invited from individuals, social enterprises, startups, private sectors, civil societies, community-based organizations, academic institutions, incubation centers, investors for transforming rural economy especially. They will develop the ideas and the government will decide whether to implement them in order to improve that rural economy. Let us see the next question. The scheme Ksheer Bhagya is implemented in which state? We have options A. Gujarat, B. Karnataka, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. West Bengal. And the right option is Karnataka. The main objective is to reduce the malnourishment for 39 lakh children in 64,000 Anganwadis and 65 lakh students in 51,000 around schools of state up to 10th class. Under this scheme, the government will provide milk to all these children. Let us see the sixth question. Which company is acquiring Ford India's manufacturing unit? We have options A. Eicher Motors, B. Tata Motors, C. Mahindra and Mahindra Motors, D. Hyundai Motors. The right option is Tata Motors. Yes, Tata Motors announced that its Tata Passenger Electric Mobility Limited will completely acquire the force India's manufacturing plant in Sanad, which is in Gujarat. So it will happen on January 10th, 2023. Next question, seventh one, common Mormon, which was seen in the news recently, belongs to which of the species? We have options: A snake, B butterfly, C spider, D turtle. The right option is B butterfly. In a very recent study by scientists of National Center for Biological Science (NCBS) have discovered that butterflies may warn, they fool, and they escape from their predators using tricks like changing the wing color patterns and even changing the flight patterns, flight behavior. This study was done in Western Ghats for 5 years. In the pics you are seeing are common Mormon kind of butterflies. Next question. As per a recent United Nations survey, which region has the highest unemployment rate in the world? We have the options: A African, B Arab region, C South Asian region, D North American region. The right option is B Arab region. On 30th December, according to the latest United Nations survey released, the Arab region registered for 12% unemployment rate in 2022. It is the highest unemployment rate in the world. Let us see the ninth question. What is the maximum tenure of medical termination of pregnancy is allowed in India? We have options: 24 weeks, 22 weeks, 20 weeks, 18 weeks. The right option is A 24 weeks. Very recently, Supreme Court proposed a few amendments to make in Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. So the weeks, actually they were 20 and they were increased to 24. This is the picture. There are some more proposals made in related to that. You can see. We shall see the next question. Last one. Which institution has set up a committee to prepare roadmap to introduce the undergraduate and postgraduate courses in regional languages? We have options: A AICTE, B UGC, C Niti Aayog, D NTA. The right option is B UGC. In all regions of nation, the University Grants Commission intends to launch undergraduate and postgraduate programs in regional languages. For example, in Andhra Pradesh, it may be in Telugu. In Karnataka, Kannada. It is a part of Union Government initiative which follows the National Education Policy 2020. That's all for the day. Thanks for watching. We shall meet in the next quiz. Thank you.